Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign into the online banking account of Investors Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a investorsbank.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of Investors Bank. Here you need to click on the sign in option on top right of the screen. Here you need to provide your username. Then you go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, that is your username and password, you simply click on login where you will get directly logged on into your online banking account of Investors Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password or user ID of the online banking of Investors Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is Forgot User ID and Forgot Password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Investors Bank. Thank you.